Welcome to this transformative journey as we explore the art of faith, a fundamental teaching by Neville Goddard that unveils the powerful role of faith in manifestation. Imagine, for a moment, that every dream you hold in your mind is already happening, waiting for you to step in and believe. In this teaching, we'll learn how faith and imagination work together to create reality. Goddard taught that faith is more than just hope. It's an absolute trust in the unseen, an unshakable belief that you can manifest anything you desire simply by believing it is already true. We'll begin with the core idea of living in the end, a principle Goddard emphasized to show how acting as if your desires are already fulfilled strengthens your faith. Faith is the invisible thread connecting your inner vision to the world around you, so to start manifesting, you must first practice trusting that your imagination is as real as anything else in your life. This may sound simple, but it's a profound shift that allows you to open up to a world of limitless possibilities. With each segment, we'll walk through practical exercises to strengthen this belief. First, we'll learn to quiet the mind, helping you tune into your imagination and visualize your desires as if they are happening right now. Think of your imagination as a paintbrush, and faith as the canvas that brings your vision to life. When we trust what we imagine, we begin to focus on our dreams with clarity and purpose. But in order to do that, we need to remove distractions that cloud our thoughts and pull us away from what truly matters. Goddard's teachings also include anecdotes that help us see faith in action. He shared stories of people who believed wholeheartedly in their desires and, despite initial doubts, saw their dreams materialize through their focused imagination. These stories teach us that faith isn't just about waiting for things to happen, it's about knowing they're already real within us, even before we see them in the physical world. Throughout this journey, we'll dive into the concept of mental rehearsal. Imagine the future you desire in great detail, feeling the emotions of that fulfilled dream. By practicing this consistently, you teach yourself to act as though your dreams are already true. Goddard referred to this as the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Faith isn't just about saying, "I believe this can happen." It's about living, breathing, and acting as if your desires have already come to life. This deep trust becomes the foundation that allows you to manifest confidently and effectively. As you become more attuned to this power, you'll notice how distractions start to fall away. When you're focused on living in your desired reality, doubts and distractions lose their power. You'll find yourself naturally prioritizing what aligns with your dream, while letting go of what doesn't serve that vision. This is the art of faith, unwavering trust that doesn't rely on evidence but on the understanding that your imagination, fueled by belief, can shape your world. Finally, remember that this journey is like learning a new language. Be gentle with yourself as you practice trusting your imagination. Approach it with the wonder of a child, believing that anything is possible, and let that childlike curiosity guide you. Manifesting isn't reserved for a select few. It's a natural process accessible to everyone who learns to see their inner world as the birthplace of all their desires. Today, we've uncovered the basics of the art of faith, the foundation of all manifestation. Together, we'll keep building on this foundation in the days to come, expanding our understanding and deepening our ability to manifest with ease. Trust in yourself, and let this wisdom inspire you to take each step forward with confidence, curiosity, and, above all, faith. Join us for Episode 5, where we'll explore the law of assumption. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to continue this journey into the teachings of Neville Goddard.